And as the U.S. Senate hammers out its version of the president's COVID relief package, Senator Ron Johnson says he will force the Senate to read the entire bill out loud.
When the Democrats offer their substitute, I'm going to say I object to the waiving of the reading. I will make them read their 600 or 700 page bill.
The Republican senator from Wisconsin made those remarks on WISN radio yesterday. Earlier in the day, the president agreed to cap those $1,400 stimulus checks to people who make less than $80,000 and $160,000 for couples.